I don't want you, because I know what's going to happen. You're going to do like I did, and you're going to beat yourself up and be frustrated, like, why am I not understanding this stuff right? It's going to take time. But when it starts clicking, you're like, ooh. And it's just like anything. It's like riding a bike. I believe any job within realm is teachable, but you got to have somebody that's coachable, somebody that doesn't want to get to the destination so fast that they again miss the journey of what they're learning and who they're becoming and how they're changing, how they look at things. All right, I'll move on, family. I have two bonuses for you, and then I'll close. First bonus, gain relevant certifications. So again, I'm going to talk about the ones I have. There's some that I would recommend, depending on where you want to go with this career. So of course, I'm going to say CAPM, PMP, ACP as well, and getting your CSM, being a certified Scrum Master. Some other ones I would recommend is Project Plus. I haven't took it. I recommend it just to see if it's something you're interested in. What else would I give? Yeah, I think really those will really help you. I mean, I could go into other like more technical sound type of things.